These fruits can help you lose weight. Fruits are high in fiber, containing natural sugars, and help in keep unwanted cravings away. You should include a variety of them in your diet, but not every fruit is equal when it comes to the nutritional value. There are certain fruits that are higher in fiber and pectin. Both work as natural fat burners that can help boost your metabolism and aid weight loss. Additionally, they are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, are also low in fat and calories. Fruits get a bad reputation because of their sugar content, but they are actually great for weight loss as they can help in controlling your calorie intake. Oranges. Add some tang to your diet with this nutrient dense low calorie fruit. Oranges provide only 47 calories per 100 grams. Orange is considered to be a negative calorie fruit, which means that it contains less calories than what your body requires to burn it. Include orange in your diet and you burn more than you eat. Watermelon. Watermelon provides only 30 calories per 100 grams and keeps you hydrated. It is rich in amino acid arginine, which helps in burning fat. Guava. Guava are rich in fiber, have low glycemic index and prevent constipation. They activates the metabolic rate which helps in weight loss. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and helping in boosting metabolic rate. Regular consumption is also known to reduce insulin resistance, hypertension and cholesterol and helps in weight loss. Strawberries. These beautiful looking berries help in the production of fat burning hormones, adiponectin and leptin, resulting in higher metabolism. Pear. Pears are a great source of vitamin C. Pear is the perfect fruit for weight loss. It is packed with fiber which keeps you full for longer as it gets digested slowly. Pear are also known to keep your cholesterol levels in check. Fresh fruits make for great low-calorie snacks. This way you will be able to control untimely cravings and also prevent overeating. Mix them with yogurt or cereal for breakfast and add them in salads for lunch or serve them with dessert to curb your sweet tooth. Fruits can be enjoyed any time of the day and with every meal.